Girls on the floor and the crowd screaming more, packing gauze and a mic called the Aussie Outlaw. I rhyme down the line with this style of mine, I'm one of a kind, the Aussie Outlaw. Without you even knowing when I'm flowing, I'll take it back to Glen Rowan, the Aussie Outlaw.
We've been waiting for you.
Loboc River tour and lunch. Hello. Happy New Year to you.
Gate 4.
Thank you. Gate 4. So while you're on a river cruise, you eat lunch. It's not bad. You can get seasick and food sick all in one. Calm, it's cool too. The wind blowing up off the water. No idea what I got.
Well, everybody's got a fear of something.
Not everybody.
Sock puppets!
Hello, here in the dark, you won't need those eyes. Let me have them.
Just gonna do some hand puppets. But nothing. Got them on, but no hand puppets.
6 in the clip playing Russian roulette, cause that's how I roll, and that's Willie Epps.